The Press Information Bureau, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Government of India, Shillong, Pynlong ya kawar talap kepada ke media workshop hak sengi pale hak jingi trelang bat ketenan Meghalaya Police Halor kilai teligi criminal laws Bharatiya Yaya Sanhita BNS Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita BNSS bat Bharatiya Shaksha Adhinayam BSA jong usnam ajar pulai Shillong. Kini ki an kin sa trelang no hakasitrik jong ubnai naitung ajar pusau. Nakaliang u Davis NR Marak DIG Meghalaya habakren sekilat patai kubor laong ba kajing pentrai kam ya kini ki an batmai kalong ke bakongsan ba nakaliang ki polis kila long ki balakre ban pentrai kam ya ki.
A citizen-centric criminal procedure has been adopted in the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, or the BNSS 2023, which has replaced the CRPC. The BNSS provides for the use of technology and forensic sciences in the investigation of crime. Specific timelines have been prescribed for time-bound investigation, trial, and pronouncement of judgments. Citizen-centric approach have been adopted for supply of copies of FIR, including by digital means. Summary trials have been made mandatory for petty cases. The accused persons may also be examined through electronic means like video conferencing, and the magisterial system has also been streamlined. The Indian Evidence Act was enacted in the year 1872 and has been in use with some amendments, but the Indian Evidence Act does not address the technological advancements which the country has undergone in the last few decades. The new law, that is the Bharatiya Shaksha Adhinayam 2023 or the BSA, provides for evidence to be provided electronically and permit appearances of witnesses, accused persons, experts and victims through electronic means like video conferencing. BSA also provides admissibility of electronic or digital record as evidence, and digital evidence is now treated as on par with other forms of evidence like paper records, documents, etc. BSA also seeks to expand the scope of secondary evidence to include copies made from originals under certain conditions. The BSA also seeks to put limits on the facts which are admissible and certification as such in the courts. In conclusion, the transition from the old criminal laws to the new criminal laws is the need of the hour, which makes the criminal justice system more citizen-friendly, more accessible to the public, and more transparent. However, there will be challenges in the implementation of the new criminal laws, which will come into effect from the 1st of July 2024. But I am optimistic that the new criminal laws will not only serve the people of India in the manner in which it was intended to, but the new criminal laws will remain to be relevant for a long time in future also, and since it has been made future ready with the new amendments.